Hi, Chris speaking. Coming to you live from the Gold Coast. I'm a tiler of 35 years, and this bathroom that I started yesterday, I'll show you the progress. We stripped it out yesterday, and I've had the plumber here this morning putting in some new piping because things have changed a little bit with the tap wear and that sort of thing, and because the freestanding bath is a little bit higher than normal, and there's a few things that have had to be changed. Anyway, I'm going to be sheeting shortly, prepare it for waterproofing, and I'll be waterproofing tomorrow. We're 30 degrees here on the Gold Coast, Australia. So it's our summer. It's a little bit warm, but you get that. I've got to take off that mirror yet. I'll do that tomorrow. I'm just sort of leaving it till last because it's glued on with silicone. So it's a little bit tricky, but I'm using a hand saw to cut the silicone. I've started, but I've been carrying on with other stuff. Anyway, I talked about the puddle flange yesterday. That is a puddle flange, and now there will be no problems with waterproofing. You'll see when I tile, you'll see what I'm doing with the aluminium. That stops all water coming out from the shower. But I'll be doing the whole floor anyway. But that is the best stopper ever.